guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox a network antenna. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Okay, let's start. I bought this item from Aliexpress. I will put the link in the video description, so you guys also can buy this product. It's a very good product if you are very away from network antenna, so you can use this product to extend your pocket router network. So let's try them. I have a pocket router, so connect to it. Connected. You can on or both of. I have two. Okay, that's it for today. If you like this video, please share this, hit the thumbs up button, and also subscribe to my channel. Okay,